Hello, this is Andy and this is a quick product review. I've got Logitech cameras, two of them, and I need a third one because I want to be able to do this. To switch camera so I can have desk and switch back to me and desk. There seems to be a little bit of a delay there, well, I don't know why. Let me just right, that's better. Right, let's try that. So from camera 1, camera 2 to my new camera, which is a generic HD 1080p webcam. Very, very cheap, very, very nasty, but it's my third camera to show the room. And as you can see the room. There is a unique thing because this is actually autofocus. And it's got a ring light around it, so if I just turn the light on, so you're getting a lot of glare from the studio lights, but the actual ring light around it, I don't know if I can come. That's the brightest setting. It's on. It's got a quarter 20 thread on the bottom of it, like the Logitech. That's why I bought it, for the quarter 20, because I've got it on a light pole, which obviously a light pole is redundant, so it's got a quarter 20 thread on the top of it, so I can put the camera on. The cable is very, very short. It literally is 1 meter. It's too short. I would have minded having a longer cable. So it's not very good. I'm gonna have to get an extension cable probably in order to lift it up. At the moment it's level with my chest when I'm stood up. In terms of what this is a box, pretty much standard. It is made in China. USB plug and play, it didn't have any problem with that. It comes with a little spider legs. It comes with a spider leg tripod thing, and this privacy cover which clips onto the front of the webcam. So there's a little tiny manual in it that basically doesn't tell you anything, and is pointless, but it's in multiple languages. So I did buy this from Amazon because of the price, and also next day delivery because I need it for tomorrow. I didn't want to spend 80 plus quid on a Logitech and have 3. I've already got 2 of them. I didn't need a third one. So generic is a very generic, non-name, sort of cheap webcam. It's 1080, 30 frames per second. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. It picks up quite nicely the rest of the room. I can get my head and my feet just about if I stand by the door there, the Logitech, when it was on the tripod thing, you couldn't get your head and feet into the shot. It does feel, when you look at the output of it, it does feel like it needs to be zoomed out, but you can't do that. The actual Windows default software has no zooming. It's not like a Logitech where you can actually do that. Now this is just a cheap little camera, really, 1080p. And that's it. That's all I've got to say. That's it then. Have a good day. And of course, don't forget, if you like this video, then thumbs up. If you don't like it, whatever, really. It's a product review. And that's my opinion. Bye for now.